Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Barita Investments is the subject of a $3 billion takeover bid from Jamaican-owned St. Lucia registered company Cornerstone Investments Holdings. The bid, which opened today, is to take over 75% of the company. It will see Cornerstone paying $9.20 for each share. The offer opened today and is expected to close on August 16. The founder and CEO of Cornerstone Investments, Paul Simpson, said a lock-up agreement has been signed with the majority shareholder Rita Humphreys Lewin and her husband Carl. Now, Mr. Simpson said even though the offer is for 100% of Barita, there is no interest in owning more than 75%. Medicanja has been given the clear to introduce 12 new cannabis-derived products. The company says all the products have been approved by the Ministry of Health. Medicanja, which is headed by scientist Dr. Henry Lowe, received approval for additional cannabis products following the launch of its pain relief products in November last year. Now, these new cannabis products are for epilepsy, multiple sclerosis, as well as glaucoma. Medicanja plans to launch the new products next week in addition to a mosquito repellent infused with cannabis. While speaking with the Business Day, marketing manager Presian Miller said the company plans to cement its place in Jamaica at a time when the Jamaican brand is becoming increasingly overshadowed by international interests.
Company. These are Jamaican products, so it all depends on how we go about it. If we can get these international investors to come in and really build up the industry, fine, but at what cost?
Crude prices settled higher today. Oil for delivery in August gained 33 cents to settle at $68.24 a barrel. We go on to currency trading as the US dollar edged higher today, selling for $132.47. The Canadian dollar closed at $98.77. The pound is going for $171.08, while the euro is being sold for $155.52 on average. The JSE index gained 1,610 points. The junior market index gained 19 points today. Stocks posting gains include Caribbean Cement Company, Epley, Fosrich, Jamaica Broilers, Knutsford Express Services, Lasco Distributors, Main Event Entertainment Group, NCB Financial Group, Pulse Investments, and Salada Foods. Now, on the losing side were AMG Packaging and Paper, Carreras, Derrimon Trading, Everything Fresh, General Accident Insurance Company, Honeybun, Jamaica Producers, Mayberry Investments, Pan Jam Investments, and Radio Jamaica. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.